All right, so test is Monday. Test is Monday. Test is Monday. Yes, sir.
5 and 6 on worksheet 6.
Let's do worksheet 8 and 9 first.
Okay.
Then we'll go backwards if we have time to go backwards. So, questions from worksheet 8. I will say the test is 21 multiple choice questions, all multiple choice, no free response, which means no graphing that you have to do. So, I mean, there's questions about graphs maybe, but they're multiple choice. Questions from the review. Or just even looking through it, is there anything that you look at and think, wait a minute, I'm not sure what's going on there? So number 18 on worksheet 9, the review. Solving for x. I would move the 4 over to get it out of the way. And then anything negative is in the bottom, anything positive is in the top. So x is in the numerator, 3 and 6 are in the denominator. I move the 4 over. So natural log of x over 18 equals 9. Number 12. Mash the bell, like and subscribe. Number 12.
I will like to get I'll leave a comment too.
The trouble with liking and subscribing is that you end up with notifications about my calculus videos, and you don't really want that.
Oh no, I love
Or maybe you do. You learn calculus this year and
exactly.
be ready to go for next year. All right, number 12 from the review worksheet. Let's see. So I plugged in x is 4, w is 2. I don't see very many coefficients, so I think I'm going to put the 2 back as a exponent. Let's see, 2 over, that's 3 over 1. And then I can condense that into 5/3 squared divided by 3 squared. Let's see. 5 squared is 25 over 9 divided by 9. So is it A or is it C? Can the two 9s cancel each other out?
For sure. No. Because you're dividing, so you flip it and multiply.
Let's keep it, change it, flip it if we're not sure. Keep it, change it, flip the 9 to 1/9. So they don't cancel, they multiply. So it was A. No way, A. Tyler, I put you off long enough.
Okay.
Worksheet 6,
So,
number.
we do 5.
Worksheet 6, number 5.
I don't know either.
Okay. Yeah, pretty similar problems. Number 5. Yes.
You know what time we switch?
Let's see. Minus sign, so we can divide. Log base 3 of x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 equals 3. You good with that part?
Yeah.
What do you want to do next?
Well, when I looked at the notes, you did something with 3 on the other side.
I did.
Well, I don't understand that.
If you want to undo a log, you can fishhook. So base 3 raised to the other power 3 equals the argument. So 27 equals x plus 3 over x plus 1. I can multiply both sides by x plus 1. And now we're into Algebra 1 land here. 26x equals 3 minus 27 would be negative 24. Negative 24 over 26, but that reduces. So negative 12 over 13. A little bit of pre-cal, a lot of Algebra 1.
Yeah, I understand that.
You good with that one? Let's look at number 6 while we're here, though. Again, we're still on worksheet 6, but 6 has got some negatives and logs, so I'm a little suspicious. In fact, you can't really. We talked earlier about plugging in the answers and see if they work. I don't know that you can do that, but you can see that they don't work, right? If I plug in negative 9, I end up taking the log of negative 1 or log of negative 9, so that's out. So I can throw out A and B already. So I'm down to a 50-50 shot on this one before I've really done much of anything. log base 3, x times x plus 8 equals 2. Do the fishhook thing. 3 squared equals x squared plus 8x. Did a couple things at once there, the fishhook and the distribute. And then I'll set it equal to 0. X squared plus 8x minus 9. We'll see if I can factor this one better than I factored that last one, where I messed up. Got to multiply to 9 and add to 8. Signs will be different. That's what I didn't think about last time. So plus 9 and minus 1. So x equals 1 and x equals negative 9. But I can't use negative 9 because that would make me log a negative number. So he's out. 1 only.
Thank you.
You're welcome. For calculators, the first part of the test is laid out a lot like the review worksheet. The first page looks exactly like the review worksheet. In fact, it even says something like, use a calculator on page 1 only. It gives you the four equations, and then it gives you some problems. So yes, you'll have a calculator on that page, and then I'll just be walking around and checking. If you're on this page, you have a calculator on your desk. When you're done with that page, put the calculator on the floor and go to the rest of the...
What if you use a calculator on that page?
That would be cheating if you use the calculator.